Would you spend $10,000 to make $150,000? That's exactly what staging will do for you when selling your home. This is 2 Minutes with Mela, and we're going to talk about the benefits of staging your home. With the real estate market being so crazy hot right now, many real estate agents and sellers are not interested in staging their listings. It makes sense. The home staging industry was built on statistics like staged homes sell 88% faster. This statistic was compelling when the average home took months to sell. However, in a seller's market, the expectation is the listing is going to go under contract the first weekend it's on the market. So what? 88% faster is not that big of a deal. The first reason why staging is important is staged listings make a buyer fall in love with your home, and that's important. The purpose of staging is to make a buyer fall in love with the home, and everyone's home is someone's dream home. Staging will minimize any of those perceived negatives, and it's going to accentuate the positive features of a beautiful home. The National Association of Realtors reported that buyers' agents state that 82% of buyers say staged homes make it easier to visualize the property as their future dream home. That staging increases the perceived value of the home while creating an emotional connection. Staging not only will set your home apart from other homes on the market, but it's ultimately going to yield you more money. The second reason that staging is important is when a home is staged, you're less likely to have issues with the inspection or with an appraisal. In this hot market, homes are going under contract quickly. Buyers feel they have to jump on something and often will compromise on their wish list. And when they're not totally in love with a home and committed to it, they're more likely to back out if there's an issue with the appraisal or with the inspections. Or maybe a home comes on the market across the street and it's staged. It looks like it could be on HD TV. It's more expensive, yes, but the buyers fall in love with it. They may cancel their contract and move on to the new listing. Or maybe the inspection report comes back and something that the seller didn't know about comes up. Well, it's not a big deal if the buyer loves the home and has already pictured hosting Thanksgiving in the dining room. When there's an emotional connection to the home that only staging can make, the buyers are much less likely to back out of the deal or ask for concessions or repairs. If a contract falls out, it means that it's lost time on the market for the seller. People wonder what's wrong. Why did it fall out of escrow? So having that staged home is going to ensure that you get to the finish line. Another reason staging is important, it helps buyers overlook minor repairs. In today's market, consisting of historically low interest rates, homes selling quickly, and most homes selling above the listing price, buyers have to spend their maximum budget to get what they want, leaving little or no money for improvements and renovations. Staging puts less weight on minor renovations that may be needed to help a home feel as new as possible. Staging also helps your photos get more views online, even in a hot market. Buyers still determine if they want to see a house from the photos, and almost 99% of all home buyers start their search online. Visual cues are persuasive for home buyers. The quality of your online images, it directly determines a buying decision. Your first impression is your last impression, so make it count. Once a buyer's interest is piqued from your online presence, seeing a home that's staged in real life is sure to seal the deal. Another reason staging is important is it makes a home look bigger. Now, You're probably thinking this is counterintuitive, but vacant homes actually feel smaller than homes that are fully furnished. Stagers will bring in the furniture and accessories that are to scale for the room, and this is going to give the buyers the impression that the space is actually larger than it is. The most important reason to stage your home: staging is an amazing investment. The average investment of 1% of the sales price in staging will net a seller 5 to 15% on their investment. Let's say you're listing your home at $1 million. A 1% staging investment means your staging costs you $10,000. And as a result of the staging, your home sold for $150,000 over the initial list price. Well, that $10,000 staging investment netted you $140,000. That's a 1,400% return on investment. The bottom line with staging, regardless of where the real estate market stands, staging is a crucial part of the selling process. I'm Mela, and thanks for watching 2 Minutes with Mela.